Okay, everyone. Today we're at Premier Car Wash here in South Elgin, Illinois. I believe this car wash used to have a Barracuda Hydrospray, a really rare system. I think it got replaced with a LaserWash 360. I've never tested a LaserWash 360. This kind of looks really interesting. So this wash is kind of on the pricier side, as you can see here. So Premier is 16, Supreme 14, Deluxe 12, and Basic 10. Okay, we're gonna do probably the Supreme wash. Oh. Let me get my card. Okay, guys, I guess I'm gonna treat you with something special. We're gonna do the 16 Premier. So, select, we're gonna do 16.
You have selected the Premium Car Wash. Please deposit $60. If you would like a receipt, press refund now.
Now I need a receipt.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash.
Close the window. Turn this off. Forward. Okay. Okay, we get it. There it goes. Oh yeah, this is kind of well maintained. You see all of them working. We're getting some spray thing. This is cleaning, it says. Kind of slow. What is it doing? I guess more? What is this? Okay. Is that like a coat of something? Or that's supposed to be high pressure water? It's just... What even is that? Oh, there it goes. Wow. Oh, wow, it's doing a good job. Oh, Strifoam? Yep. He's doing a double pass of dry foam. Oh, lava. Oh, look at that. What's it doing? Oh, wow. It's rinsing. High pressure rinse. Oh, that's cool. That is actually pretty neat. It's doing spot-free rinse. I don't know what surface protectant is, but I think it skipped that step. So this is spot-free. This is just so I don't have to really wash, like, dry my car. Air drying. Oh wow, it's actually drying for me. Those dryers are actually pretty good. It's shaking the car to how powerful it is. Although it's leaving some stuff behind. It might come back. Yep. And there it goes. So all right, that was the wash. Ooh. Yeah, I left some things behind, but it's okay. It did that the same thing as the It left stuff behind like as a superwash thing I did. Okay, let's park. Let's park right here, like the carpet shampooer thing, and let's get out and take a look at the car. So, all right, so we're gonna take a look at how well it did to the car, clean the car. Did a pretty good job. There was dirt here from earlier. Did it get the dirt off? Yes, it did. They got all the dirt off. That was the premiere car wash, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to get some car wash videos later in the month. So, bye, everyone.